Some people have asked me to review the letter sounds. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. 5 of those are vowels, and I've written those in red. A, E, I, O, and U. The vowels make 2 sounds. They make the long sound and say their name, A, E, I, O, and U. They also make a short sound, A, such as apple or cat, E, I, and Okay? The other letters are consonants, and they have their own sound. B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Some of the letters are kind of tricky. C and K make the same sound, K. Sometimes C makes the S sound. X makes the KS sound, X. Y, Y, sounds like U, but it has its own sound, Y, whereas U makes the sound. Q always has to have U with it to make the Qu sound. So practice these sounds, and you can use those sounds to help you make words. Thanks.